Hi everyone, Glama here. Thank you for joining me here. Today I wanted to make a video and it is going to be about bullying. It's because today is October and October is Bullying Prevention Month, and every first Monday of October is bullying prevention awareness, and today is the first Monday of October, so I wanted to do something to kind of honor that and just show my support for anti-bullying. And blue is anti-bully color, so I'm wearing blue eyeshadow. I'm wearing blue, and it's supposed to be a darker blue, but this is what I have. I don't have a darker blue shirt right now. So anyway, just in case you're wondering why I have so much eye makeup on, this would be something more that I would wear like at night.
New message from Finesse.
Uh-oh, sorry, that was my text message, my daughter Finesse. So this would be something more of a look that I would wear to go out at night to a dimly lit restaurant, or if I was at the age where I used to go to nightclubs, I would probably wear a look like this, because this is a lot of makeup for daytime. But I just wanted to come on here and just talk about anti-bullying a little bit, and just, you know, it's preventable, guys, so help me stomp on bullying and just stop it. Help me stop it. We can, as parents, we can talk to our children to not participate in bullying. If we see it, we can help the child getting bullied. If we are the child getting bullied, if you are someone that is getting bullied, please don't feel like you're alone. For one thing, Glama loves you, and don't forget that God loves you, the man that created you. He thinks you're perfect. And also, don't forget that there are hotlines out there that you can call. The people that work there obviously have a passion for it, just like I do. They have a soft spot. Either they've been through something similar, or they've seen it, or they're just passionate about it like I am. Like I said, I've never been bullied. I've never been a bullier or a bully, but it's always just been a really soft spot in my heart for those getting bullied. I'm totally anti-bully, and I've always taught my kids not to participate, rather to befriend the children getting bullied. Let them know that they're cared for, that they're loved, because you never know what's going on in their household. Maybe they're getting physically abused or other type of abuse, and then to come to school and to get bad treatment from their peers as well. You know, no wonder kids are taking their lives. They feel like they have nowhere to turn. They can't turn to anyone at home if negative things are happening at home. They don't feel like they can turn to anyone at school because they're getting bullied there too. So please, if you see bullying happening, please stand up for it. Let's stomp bullying and stop it altogether. Let's get started. I started off with CoverGirl's eyeshadow, and I don't have the name on it anymore, but this is, let me open it up so you can see more closely what it looks like. Okay, that's what it looks like. So it's a really nice blue. So that's what I started with. So let's get going. Okay, so I'm just going to use a BH cosmetic brush that looks like this. I'm going to put it all over my eye. Please excuse the decor. I'm in an RV still, so I know this isn't the most glamorous place to make a tutorial or a beauty journal entry, but this is what I have to work with right now. And next I use this Rimmel eyeshadow, and I use the middle color there. And I put that in the middle of my eyelid right there, just to give it a little bit, just a lighter color to open up the eye a little bit. I hope you can see it. I'm right in front of a window, so it might not be filming that great. Might not be showing up that great. Okay, so after that, I took this hard candy, let me see, number 278, and it's called Outer Space. took that. Let me see if you can get a closer look on it. It's got like some flecks in it, some silver flecks. I took that, and I took a small smudge brush from BH Cosmetics, and I just kind of loaded that up. And I just went on the outer corner of my eye, the outer V of my eye here, and just kind of framed it. Brought it in a little bit. Next, what I did is I took my blending brush and I went back to my Rimmel and I used the top color. And I loaded that up a little bit and I put it right under my eyebrows, on my brow bone, to highlight it and also to help blend this all in. I love blending now. I never knew how to blend, so I'm so glad that I'm learning how to do that, because it makes such a difference when you blend your eyeshadow in. And I have a little makeup wipey here. It's a wipey that takes off your eye makeup, or just your makeup in general at the end of the day. And so I wipe my brush to clean it off a little bit so that I don't get too much product on it. Okay, so just keep blending, blending, blending. And then I also blend a little bit over here on the corners. I don't work on that too much because I'm going to end up putting an eyeliner there anyway. Okay, so that looks pretty even. As even as I can get it on camera anyway. Okay, so that's what I did for that. And then I took a smaller BH brush right here, and I used the middle Rimmel color right here, just loaded that up, and I did the inner corner here. There we go. Kind of blended this in with that. So there we go so far. And I brought it under my eye. I'm going to put it all under my eye here. I'll end up putting more here in a second. I'm going to get my black pencil and line the inside of my eye. And I'm going to kind of bring it down a little bit to make kind of the smoky eye effect. Okay, and now I'm going to take a little smudger here. It's got kind of a hard tip. And just kind of smudge it in to give it that smoky eye effect. So it's going to blend the black in with that lighter Rimmel color that I used. Okay. And I don't want it too dark, so that's why I end up going over it again with the blue. So I'm using the middle color again. Okay, and now we're going to do the eyeliner. I'm always scared to do this on camera.
New message from Finesse.
Oops, sorry, that was my text messaging. My daughter's texting me. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to do the eyeliner, and it's just by Wet n Wild. And I always do a winged eye. I don't know why. So just keep in mind, this is for a nighttime look. I wouldn't wear this much makeup during the day, even though it is daytime right now. But I wouldn't wear this much makeup out during the day. See if they look even. Yeah, they look pretty even. Okay, next is mascara. And you know, you can also bring this in a little bit right through here if you want it more like a cat eye look. you know, make it a little pointier looking right here. The ladies who probably have that probably don't like it, and those of us that don't have it probably try to achieve that look. We're never happy with what we have, are we? Okay, next I'm going to do just a little bit of mascara, and I use L'Oreal Paris Telescopic in Carbon Black. And that's what the brush looks like. It's more like a little comb. And I need to learn how to use how to apply false eyelashes, just because I like how it looks on people to wear at nighttime. That would be so pretty. So I bought some. I just forgot to get the glue. Silly me. So I need to get the glue. Whoops. One of my eyelashes fall off. Don't you hate that when that happens? We already feel like we don't have enough eyelashes, and then to have them fall off. And do I remember hearing that it takes like 2 months to grow an eyelash back? I'm like, what? How crazy is that? So yep, this is the way that I achieved this blue smoky eye look that I kind of created by using 3 different colors. I used CoverGirl and Rimmel and Hard Candy. Alright guys, now I know this looks like a lot of makeup, it is, but like if you're going out, you know, to a restaurant that's dimly lit, or you're going out to a nightclub or something, this is perfect. You can even put a little glitter on there. Ooh, let me see if I can find it. I have some pretty glitter that would be awesome looking. Think of, ooh, see, silver. It's Hard Candy. I'm gonna try it. Okay, I'm gonna take the same brush that I did the light blue around here, and I'm gonna put some on. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, I gotta change the mirror to my other side. Ooh, pretty. I don't know if y'all can see it because the camera probably isn't picking it up. But that is so pretty. Let me see, can y'all see that? Ooh, nice. I love glitter. Hey, I'm a girl, right? We love glitter. Okay, let me put some on this eye. This would really be a nice nighttime look. This was just an afterthought, as you can see, because I didn't put it on my first eye originally. Okay, ooh, I wonder if I should put some down here. That sounds nice. Hope I don't overdo it. Just gonna barely touch it. Ooh, that's nice. Can you see it? Right in here. Love this stuff. My daughter gave it. No, I think I actually bought this. I bought gold and silver. My daughter gives me a lot of stuff because she loves playing with makeup. She's been playing with makeup a lot longer than I have. Even though I've been wearing makeup longer than her, she's been playing with different looks longer than I have. And I always tell her I'm scared to try new stuff, and she says, Mom, I'm so shocked that you're scared because you're an artist, and I would think that you would be the one that's always experimenting. And she's right. I don't know why I'm so scared. So anyway, can you even see that on the bottom? You can, kind of, huh? Right there. Okay. This window light makes me look blue. Alright, so that is so cute. So, oh, you can see it more when I go far away, huh? I'm going to carry it all the way out. Not all the way, but more to the middle. Okay, I think I'll stop there. And I already have on a little bit of a lip color. It's not too dark. I didn't want to go with too dark of a red or anything because the eye is so dramatic. So I think I'll leave it at that. If you're someone getting bullied, once again, I want to reiterate, I love you, God loves you, and people at the 1-800 hotline love you because they care about this topic as much as I do. Alright guys, I'm not going to go into it too much. I just wanted to I definitely wanted to make a video today because it is the day, first Monday of October, that we're supposed to stand up and stomp on bullying. So it's Bullying Prevention Month. All right, guys, I love you. Mwah.